Good morning students, welcome to our maths online class. Today we will continue our chapter fractions. Next topic is checking equivalent fractions. That is, two fractions will be given. We have to check whether the given fractions are equivalent fractions or not. How we will find? There is a method, that is, if the cross product of two fractions are equal, they are equivalent. What is the method? Cross product of the fractions are equal, then they are equivalent fractions. We can check with an example. Are 1 by 3 and 4 by 12 equivalent? That is the question. 1 by 3 and 4 by 12 are equivalent or not. So, what is the method? We have to find their cross product. Cross product, did you ever hear? We can check here. Cross product we will write like this. 1, we will multiply numerator of one fraction with denominator of second and denominator of first with numerator of second. That is the cross product. So we can see here 1 into 12, 12. 3 into 4 also 12. That is, their cross product are equal. You understood? 1 into 12, 12. And 3 into 4, cross product, 3 into 4 also 12. So, what we can decide here? These fractions are equivalent fractions. 1 by 3 and 4 by 12 are equivalent fractions. By seeing also you can understand 1 into 4, 4, 3 into 4, 12. By multiplying by 4 by 4, we got this fraction. But we can choose this method to decide whether they are equivalent or not. So here cross product are equal. So we can write 1 by 3 and 4 by 12 are equivalent fractions. Understood? One more question we can do. Check 9 by 12 and 3 by 4 are equivalent fractions or not. How we will check? We will go for their cross product. So we can write 9 by 12, 3 by 4 like this. Cross, you put a cross and multiply with the numbers. So, which numbers we will multiply? 9 with 4 and 12 with 3. What is the product? 9 into 4, 36. 12 into 3, also 36. So, what we find here? Cross products are equal. So, we can write cross products are equal. So, 9 by 12 and 3 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Our next topic is fractions in the lowest terms. That is, how we can find the smallest form or lowest form of a fraction. The method is, we have to divide the fraction by the HCF of numerator and denominator. What is the method? Divide the fraction, that is numerator and denominator, by their HCF. What do you mean by HCF? Highest common factor. You have already learned to find HCF and LCM in the previous year. That's it. So, we can do the problem here. Question: reduce to lowest terms 12 by 30. So we have to find the HCF of 12 and 30, that is numerator and denominator. Their HCF we have to calculate now. How we will calculate the HCF of 12 and 30? First we will prime factorize these two numbers. Do you remember the method to find HCF? We have done many problems in the 4th standard. So here 12 divided by 2, 6, then 2, 3, 30 divided by 2, we will get 15 divided by 3, then again we will get 5, then these are the factors, 2 into 2 into 3, 12, 2 into 3 into 5, 30, that we will represent like this and we will calculate the highest common factor. Here common factor 2, one more common factor 3. Their product we will get 6. So 6 is the common factor, highest common factor. So we will have to divide this fraction 12 by 30 by 6. So 12 by 30 division 6 by 6 equal to 12 division 6 2, 30 division 6 5. So 2 by 5 is the lowest form of 12 by 30. Okay, do you understood? So we have to calculate HCF. For that we want to find the prime factorization of numerator and denominator. Okay. Next question. Lowest terms we want to represent 20 by 24. We are factorizing 20 and 24. We will get 20, 2 into 2 into 5, 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Common factors we are representing like this. Highest common factor will be their product 2 into 2. 4 is the common factor, highest common factor HCF. So we are dividing this fraction, given fraction, by 4 by 4. Then we will get 20 divided by 4, 5, 24 division 4, 6. So 5 by 6 is the lowest form of 20 by 24. Do more problems, children, from textbook. Thank you.